You there? Peace. Yeah. Stir fry. Hey.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna tell you, this is a different type of hungry. Corn meal porridge me eat from 10 o'clock.
1 pound of soft fish, 1 pound.
What?
I love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Welcome back to another video. So you know it's all not Candy here again. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new. So today is Saturday and I'm going on the road. It's been so long, right? So I'm going to go a vlog. When I go on the road, I go to school and my friend I wait for me in Spanish Town and I never remember to pay light bills. So maybe she probably left me or she want me. So that's that. We are late. We plan to meet at Spanish Town at 11 and if no, it's like a couple minutes to 12 or go on couple minutes to 12, so we're definitely late. So if we reach 1 o'clock, so maybe we have to take a coaster. That's how more money. But guys, tell me what go on. We don't know. I'm afraid and all, but don't worry guys. I'm stressed out. School has stressed me. I have mock exams and I don't know about the mock exam because I don't know, like the test easy. The test is so easy, but I just don't know if I write, like I go blank. Honestly, like I go blank. I don't want to go blank on Cape. So, that's that. I wait for me to walk to see if we can get a taxi quicker than normal. And yeah, stay tuned for what's about to come, you know? The journey and all. A long time I see me, so let me see. I can't look out the mirror. So yeah. So guys, a lot of breeze was blowing right here and couldn't hear me say, but basically they're telling us say my day on the line for pay the bill and my friend them did gone left me. Well, I'm never gone yet, but a bus did come, so I'm telling them to take it. And the people them they move slow, so you know, so I never catch them in time and I had to take a coaster instead. But I did reach early. Miss never stopped when we reached, so that was good. And also to like the video guys, like before I come. Wow. I am broke and they all want to go to Burger King.
We want to go to
Popoyes. They want to get bad dog. Starbucks. What else? Patty.
Mothers and kids.
JD.
That I know, like,
I can't full belly. I don't have money, so I don't buy no. I just go to go beg people them to say free.
Beg
I go to the cashier and say, I don't have money, but more.
Beg ooh. Hi guys. So I'm hungry. I'm gonna tell you, this is a different type of hungry. Corn meal porridge me eat from 10 o'clock, something like that. Hungry, so I'm gonna get Popoyes. We're gonna get Mothers and Tasties, 2 cheese patty, and we're gonna get 2 mix and match with grape sodas, extra fries. At Popoyes we're getting the shrimp salad with what's that again? The max box, two max box and extra fries and
1 large cup of soda.
How much money you have, so?
Go large, we're going large. We'll go large. At Circle K we need a smoothie, we need we're going Jolly Rancher, we're more going to LOL. We need 1 pound of worm, 1 pound of worm, 1 pound of
soft fish.
1 pound of soft fish. And
what? More 1 pound of green tongue, more Jolly Rancher, more 2 Snickers, more the cookie and cream Hershey's.
You're not going to Colombiana.
Oh wow, more a pack of Bam Bam Boom, the the what the thing name? What flavor that? Bam bam boom. The clear one. The white that. Where we going? Wendy's. Oh, Baconator. Hello. Give me the. Where's my card? Where's my card? I need a Baconator. Give me another food place. No man. Oh, the bad dog. Hello. I need a relish. Oh. Wait, me not tell you what more up on the back dog get. More relish. I want cheese. I want pickles. I want mayonnaise, onion, pepper. Woo! Here you gotta get it. Not the live. Hello. Island grill. I want what that name? Rice and peas and that jerk chicken. I want a leg and
She want fried rice.
I want vegetables.
She want leg and thighs.
Hello, I want everything. I love my belly, no. You never know. I love my belly.
It shows.
I love my belly. But guys, I'm gonna get some Popoyes too. I'll walk one day. Popoyes are load very. But I'm gonna buy a bad dog for you.
We'll buy Popoyes and bad dog. $400.
Oh, $400.
I'm more than $400 about me.
Oh, rich.
Rich people right here. That means I'm gonna buy something here.
No, sir. Listen, well, guys, we're gonna catch up with you when we reach Popoyes. Nice. So, don't follow her.
Remember, we're gonna two hungry people and them are gonna why scared on them mouth.
I'm going to buy gum there. Remember to like.
Okay, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe and watch the other videos because.
And watch the ad.
First of all,
so she can get money to get you know.
If you skip the other while ago,
no, she not take you. She not.
You must skip the ad like. Why do that? Watch the ads, guys, and make sure to like and comment whatever you want. We're gonna go, guys, so we're gonna catch up back with you if Candice remember.
So you don't know it?
Tikiana is a song?
Yeah.
I think it was just a phrase.
Tikiana, Aniana, Pamiana, Raniana, Ana, Abi, Ana. This girl snapping.
For true?
Yo, I change my hairstyle too straight this. But I'm afraid, look how I'm afraid that's glisten.
You heard ours like glisten?
No, when it's in the sun, brother. It's a glisten, it's a glue. Get them, peace, yeah, stir fry. Hey, whoa. Vlog, I have Shuana and Tristan is ordering right now. Come out and move, no girl? A long time, about an hour now, and we are waiting. So, I'm going to make a video about the chicken sandwich and my advice again. So, I'm going to give it second chance. So, I buy that right now. I wonder if I have Wi-Fi over here because Popoyes is dangerous. We eat some food and we're about to leave, you know. Then Tina she has bestie for meat. And that's so that's that. Now we're at Harpertree and then by Popoyes plus butter because them rich, you see me? And like me. No, I said Popoyes and butter. Two things on the buy, so I go and have it. The girl, she nearly because I don't keep them. What's over there? Tell them what one.
Never had been seeing this yet.
Why? For what? We have to buy old water. She want the juice in her bottle and it's come on.
I don't know what them and them sweet juice. Diabetes for days. But that's that Tina she gonna buy sweets, eh? And we're gonna leave it to her because we want to. Tell us about the bad dog.
But they be eating it.
Tell us about the Popoyes. How is it? Rate it.
Proper. All the time.
Except the juice.
Juice to diabetes. Right too.
How is it? How is it? When you said the bad dog ready? Bad.
You know where to work, dog?
It's bad.
Okay, we say guys, you know what everybody? Them stop you, oh you know. Them stop you. They try to put up and they say, love me I talk loud. Me now hold me mouth and me I talk. Because the truth stop get on and them just have stir fry some vegetables now. In a Spanish town. Guys, we are leaving.
I'm gonna get copyright. Bye. 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 Bye.